Igualmente le informamos si está sentado.
This my brother.
You did good.
My twin. I've been watching movies because ain't nothing else to do. Wi-Fi finna go out, so it is. I don't think the air's on yet. I never watched it. I think I'm gonna watch it.
Pray for my demons, though I catch you. Every time I sip a codeine, I get pumped. Annoying the sound of the song when it comes. You understand, I can't take it every word, nigga, come. I done made it feel like children on the phone. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Can't manage yourself, cause you ain't leaving me alone. Got to stand
My ears.
blame when we come. Tell around the world. I wanna fall down the stairs. I get my phone when I get there. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
We made it to Puerto Rico.
Use the left 2 lane.
Hey y'all, we finally at the hotel, y'all. It is currently, what time it is? 7:31, and I think it's finna storm. But let me check out the hotel. First walk in, it's the boring door of the restroom with somebody in there. And then he's got this little closet, coffee area, then it's a mirror, 2 beds, TV, and a couch. And then it's the view. Okay, view. I can't wait to show y'all when we wake up. But so we're about to go into town to get something to eat. I don't think we're doing that tonight, but it's finna rain, so I'm finna put some my tights back on that I had on this morning. I'm just gonna keep this shirt on, I got my tights on, and then that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna put my hair up. I think I'm gonna put my hair up into the style that I seen on TikTok. But y'all, we had a long, stressful day. So, but tomorrow's gonna be real fun and eventful. I think we're going ATV riding tomorrow. So this should be fun. Why nobody told me not to go on a trip with lashes stitches on? Because my eyes been bothering me all day. My eyes been bothering me all day. I don't like this. I'm just going. My eyes been bothering me all day, and then my ear on my left side is still not popped, and it's hurting. It's like half of my face is like, I don't even know. I ain't even hitting my edges. I just need to get in the bed, take a shower. But I'm about to glue some of my lashes back on because I look a fucking mess. And then we're gonna go out to eat. The hell? Yo, look at these. There's us. On the streets of Puerto Rico, who you know? Who the fuck do you know? Cause I don't think you know nobody. Let me see how the streets of Puerto Rico. Even though this is United States territory, it's like a different world.
It's hot right there, y'all.
Okay, but oh, it smells good. barbacoa quesadilla with the watermelon margarita and a water. It's so hot and it's so sticky. Like, I just can't wait to get to the shower. So y'all, the drink came. I forgot me a water bottle. Oh, take a picture of me vlogging with the drink. That was so cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Go first. There you go. Sorry.
Uh-oh. Thank you. Okay, let's taste it. I'm gonna rate it a 7 because I don't like watermelon. Yours good, Josh?
She got passion fruit.
Should've got
The
that.
watermelon tastes fresh.
She said it is fresh.
And block.
That,
The watermelon tastes fresh.
that sugar salt rim is pretty good though. I'm gonna rate it a sunny, a 7 because I don't like the sunny. And then when the food come out, I'm gonna rate it. Let me just try these chips they brought out. Which one?
It's barbecue sauce.
It's barbecue sauce?
Yeah, it's so but then it get hot.
Uh-oh.
It got a smoky taste at it. It got a smoky taste. That's bomb.
That's
She
good.
reaching over there every time I want one.
I'm gonna rate that 8 out of 10.
So she was like, I should try it. So then I was like, yeah,
It's good.
They don't really know like
It looks good. Look how big it is. Ooh. It's good. It's juicy.
Let me try your one.
I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. I like that Jacob Josh cause he getting it down at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm just saying.
I am.
You got some?
I'm tipsy. Hey y'all, so we back in the hotel room. I feel way better. This drink barely even did nothing. Like, I'm not even tipsy or anything. I was just a little hot when I was in the car. But tomorrow, I think we're doing ATV riding and then we're going water rafting. Not water rafting. We'll be going to your... I think we're doing something involved with waterfalls. So hopefully I'm able to record. But me and my sister sharing a bed. That's my sister. She don't want to show her face because she just missed the entire. But I'm actually in a great mood right now. It is currently, what time it is? 10:33. And I'm in a good mood right now. I really wish I had like an edible or some more drink, but I'm okay. I'm just gonna turn some Netflix on and chill. I think tomorrow morning, me and my brother, we're gonna get up and we just gonna be some locals and just walk around and explore. We probably go to the pool or the beach in the morning. I don't know. I really don't want to do too much because I want to save my energy for ATV. So I don't know, but I'm just gonna put the camera down. Today was very stressful. Like, we had to switch our rooms twice. The airplane was delayed for an hour. We was waiting there, sitting there for an hour. Then my ear still haven't popped, so like half my face, it's like it's paralyzed. Like I can't even hear shit, but it's weird as hell. But I'm just gonna wait till pop it when I get home, cause I don't know. My dad popped his ear, and he automatically had headache, the frontal of his head. So I don't really want to do too much while I'm out in Puerto Rico, cause I don't know shit about their hospitals. So. But I'm gonna pick the camera up in the morning. Good night. Look at the view. It's the pool. I really want to get in the pool. I want to go to the beach. I don't want to go to the beach right there.
No, yeah.
I want to go to maybe like the main strip and go to the beach because them waves is too powerful out there. Like,
No, it's not that bad out here.
hey y'all, good morning. I'm officially up. I'm finna brush my teeth, wash my face, and go get breakfast. Period. I don't know what the vibe I'm giving today, but I want to look really, 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 really pretty. So I think I'm gonna wear all black, put this black dress on. I'm gonna put this black dress that I got from Shein on. Got this black dress. I'm gonna put this black dress on. And then if I pack it, I like these sandals, so I'm gonna put these on today. And then it's my body. What you know about that new Thug? I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna close that door. Hopefully they don't hear it. But this is the outfit. And I just put 2 little scrunchies to make it cute and festive to match the hat. Since I don't have any accessories to particularly match this outfit. But I'm just gonna put this oil. I'm not gonna tell you where I get it from because I don't want y'all to talk about me. But it's just some Ariana Grande in a small ounce. So I'm gonna put that on today. We ain't going nowhere but going to get something to eat, so. But in the States, even though this is U.S. territory, in the States they do free breakfast. So here you gotta pay for the breakfast. I'm just like, let's go get us a McDonald's McGriddle, but they messed up our rooms and stuff, so we got a credit, so we just gonna get, I guess not technically free breakfast, but free breakfast.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog. Yeah, I'm finna go to the beach, and I'm hungry, y'all.
And she called me lacking this morning.
Yeah, but I'm gonna edit you out. I ain't gonna put you out.
You like put a block in front of
But we gotta go get wristbands. Yeah. I'm never wearing lashes since she's on a trip ever. It's just the worst. Fucking eyes. God, look at it. Yeah. Look at them iguanas. They literally blend in with the.
Oh, they about to tell them.
Ooh, what that is? Oh, that's cabbage. It's 9 in the morning and I got a salad. I had this food, but it's trash, so I'm not gonna show it. But I'm gonna try this salad. Have an apple juice in the water. Drink that water, TJ. You could be out in it. Wasn't even on the vlog yet. Say hey.
Hey.
Good morning. It's like what? No, it don't.
Yes, you do.
While we out here, Uncle Charles and the crew, y'all.
Yeah.
Uncle Charles and the crew.
Don't play.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Do it.
We trying to stay there.
They're giving us a little show. I honestly be forgetting to record, but we got us some bracelets. It say Puerto Rico. It's so cute. Oh, y'all, it's so hot out here. That's what I can say. It's hot, it's sticky, and it's humid. Like, I took a shower yesterday night, but it's like I need another shower. We're another, but 9 o'clock. I'm gonna say it's probably 10, but oh, there's so many cats, so many iguanas. I don't really do animals. Whew. Oh, but I'm ready to get a tan because I came light and I want to go back dark. Woo, it is hot. I'm tired of walking. And we're going in and out these stores. I bet these folk think we stealing or some shit. So we back at the telly and we finna go to the pool now. It's so hot. It's long overdue. I'm finna put my hair in the bun though and not do my edges. Cause baby, when I say I'm swimming, I'm swimming. The fuck? You look good. Y'all, I'm here with my man. Tell me some, she gonna stay right there, bitch. Girl, didn't I tell her I didn't need nothing? But I'm gonna wait for the waterfall to wear that other bathing suit. Alright, so I think I'm gonna just put this bathing suit on. This one and this. And then I need some bottoms because I don't want to walk out there. So I'm gonna put these shorts on with this bathing suit. And then to match, I'm gonna put a little green scrunchie. This cute little scrunchie. So I'm gonna come back once I'm dressed, y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm dressed. My sister left me because she said I was taking so long, but I had to make sure I got this bun right because I'm really finna swim like I never swum before, so I don't want my bun to come out. But I'm finna show y'all the fits. Look at it. This is the first bathing suit I chose. I'm just gonna put this on. I'm just gonna put this on. I wish I brought some other type of flip-flops, but I didn't. My sister got my other slides, so I'm just gonna put these slides back on. I'm not ever wearing lash extensions to vacation ever again. The girl, yeah.
I'm gonna say ma'am, sir, ma'am.
They want to go on this beach, but I don't want to go. I don't like this beach here. Maybe we at the wrong section of PR, but I don't like it. We don't like this beach. I don't like this part of the beach. It's the seaweed
Y'all need to the pool.
So I'm gonna suntan here.
It's Sunday.
Yeah. They said it's fish swimming in the beach, so I'm gonna go. I just want to get a little cute little tan. Cute little tan.
In the beach, without that, you know we don't do no beach. It's in lobby.
Hey y'all! Remind me to never ever get lash extensions on the trip because this look a mess. But I got me a strawberry. What is this here? Strawberry margarita?
I like to drink Tiana. Tiana is my mate. I like to drink Tiana because she getting down at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, baby. You didn't make it. Wait, where am I? Come on.
Okay, that's enough.
You want some more?
Now you go ahead and crazy. I'm gonna put you in there.
I like that.
Come on, y'all.
Yes.
Hey, we're gonna, on the count of 3, we're gonna say, we love you, Josh.
No.
On count 3. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Josh. More money, more life, more blessings. You though. So we came in from the pool. I'm dressed and I'm sobered down. I got on a black shirt from Shein. These shorts from Shein. And then I got my shoes from Marnie. Let me show y'all. What's the outfits? Hey, I'm gonna do outfit of the day. Got my shirt from Shein, shorts from Shein, shoes from Marnie, necklace from Urban Outfitters, and this Target, Puerto Rico bracelet, Pandora, and then it's here. Okay, I got my shirt for Shein, my shorts for Shein, shoes for Yeezy. I got my bracelet from Pandora, and this one I got these from Puerto Rico. Period. I like to drink Tiana. Tiana is my mate. I like to drink Tiana because she get it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, I am drunk. Like, nobody even told me to be this drunk before. Ooh, child. I don't even want this. I want some food. My siblings eat all that. I don't want that.
Let me put this on your suitcase and I'll carry your suitcase. So my suitcase is lopsided.
We got a different room because they messed our room up. Look, hey, it's so nice. So we got 2. It's two sinks here. Look at the shower. Oh wow, this is way better than the room we had.
Who hit my door?
2 beds. Oh, look at the closet. Oh yeah, this is way better than the room we had. I'm not even gonna cap. They finessed the fuck out of us with that little shit we had. Yeah, I'm so damn drunk. Oh yeah, we finna be lit as hell. Look at this view. Oh, so we was down there. We can't even see the pool, girl. Y'all look at my tan. I look so pretty. We in the room. We finna get something to eat. I'm so hungry. I want some tacos again. We had last night. But I'm kind of craving some egg rolls. But I ain't even gonna cap. But this room way better than the room that we had. Like, I don't even know why they tried to finesse us like that. Like, this is the room that we originally booked. But when we got here, they gave us those rooms that we was just in, that we slept in last night. So my stepmama, she came and she was like, nah, this is the room we originally booked, so put us in there. But last night we was just really tired. We was really getting in bed. So, look at my face. It's giving me 10.
You got it. We all gonna
Can I get something to eat?
all of y'all gonna fit you, Tiana, John.
Tired.
Y'all forgot around me?
It's only 1, 2, 3, 4. And Uncle Charles coming with y'all, so that's 5.
Oh. So we in Poolside 1. We're finna be walking, and I did not bring the correct shoes.
Even though somebody told her to bring the correct shoes, she still didn't do it.
Right, where are you beeping at? Oh, and I'm drunk, and my head is hurting. I'm so hungry.
I'm not drunk, bro.
She tipsy, she ain't drunk, but she ain't ate nothing. So once we feed her, she'll be alright.
If I was drunk earlier, what that mean? We two different people.
Touche.
Right.
Actual school, or is it like an abandoned school or a historic site? Loki look like a historic site, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, but school out, so we don't even know. Look at Poolside 1, y'all. Look at that Starbucks. Y'all, it's a damn rooster. I'm having too much fun with my little sunburn. We got oxtails, plantains, rice, a little salad on the side, and some wings. The oxtails is a 2 out of 10. Plantains is good because it came with this little sauce.
I don't know, let me see how I feel. I feel like almost dying and
The rice is a 7 out of 10. And the wings is a 6 out of 10.
It's fun. Y'all still honey mustard. And your burger will sell up the thing.
The fries is good though. The fries about the only thing that's good. Honey hot lemon pepper me, please.
They're not American. They're all American.
We walking the streets of San Juan. Y'all, everybody got these little ass dogs. Right now, we chasing a restaurant to go get some churros. My feet is hurting really bad in these shoes.
Y'all know where we going? No, we don't. They looking for churros. Oh, it smells so sweet.
Hey, I ain't want to talk on the last one, but I'm talking right now. Hey, I got my beautiful family here, my kids, you know what I'm saying? We just out here in Puerto Rico chilling, man. We living life to the best of our ability, you know what I mean?
I hear any PR street. Yeah.
If you see me and you trying to see what's up, you want to, I'm out of stuff.
Who gets some?
Looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist. Hold it up. Secondhand embarrassment.
Girl, what you embarrassed about?
Girl, what was
The bottom of my feet is red hot. I got a sunburn on them. Yeah.
you ain't editing?
Yeah, sure. Well, I'm gonna rate this
Man.
7 out of 10 because she need to change her grease because they taste burned.
Look at them, y'all.
Over there.
Good morning, y'all. It is day 3. We got make the hotel going on the boat today. And we're doing the snorkeling and stuff. There's a grill out there. But I'm afraid of the ocean, so I'm not sure I'm gonna be adventurous today. Me and my sister finna go to Starbucks because they McDonald's they do nothing but fill half our stomach up. I don't know, we being fat or what? Yes. Can I get a cheese Danish warmed up, please? I never had a cheese Danish from Starbucks. So let's try it and rate it. This is how it look. I'm rated 9 out of 10. See, I got a caramel crunch, extra everything. So let's try it. I don't like coffee that tastes like coffee, so I'm gonna rate that at 8. The crunch is good though. Yeah, I'm dressed, but I got to show y'all my outfit because we rushing. I got this cute little dress on. It's pretty cute. Right, but this water look nasty. Ugh.
How I'm gonna get my money back though?
Yeah, let's go.
What happened?
You get our money, he being disrespectful. Go on, turn back.
Did I was disrespectful to you or something?
No,
The only guy that has talked to you.
Turn back.
What happened?
So we're not getting on my yacht no more.
No.
So we are about to leave this island because we end up getting into it with the captain. So when we really get into it, he was kind of rude as hell, and it's like, you got our life in your hands, so you're rude as shit. So we just end up canceling that, getting our money back and stuff. So now we can do jet skiing. I'm not really too fond about jet skiing because I'm low-key, high-key scared, but the family want to do something, so I guess that's what we're finna do.
Oh, they handicap.
Hey, ooh, ooh, ooh. We made it out here. It's so sunny. Then they ride a jet skis. I got my swimsuit on. So they're making us sign the waivers.
Names, paper, and signature.
Family vacation.
Yes.
They tried to run it with the boat ride, but we
It is currently 5:02. We get on the jet skis around 5:30, but we gotta be back at the station at 5:15. So we just sitting later on the beach. Yeah, we about to ride the jet skis. I'm super tired and I'm so hungry, but I'm gonna take this swimsuit off and put my clothes back on. I honestly did not have fun on that jet ski. I didn't. I feared for my life. That jet ski was not for me. I did not like it. I'm back at the hotel. It's been like several hours since then. I just got out the shower and I could tell by the wet door. But I'm honestly drained. I took my lashes off because honestly I'm just tired of them. Tomorrow we're getting up at 7 o'clock to go ATV riding, and then we're going ATV ride to the Rainforest, and we just gonna do the waterfall, jump in the waterfall and stuff like that. This is our last day and we are full of events. 7:20 in the morning. Y'all, but I cannot. The place is an hour away. I think it's currently like 7:40 in the morning. But I got this 2-piece set from Beauty Masters. I'm tired, but I'm honestly tired of vlogging. Ain't even cap. High-key, low-key tired of vlogging, but I do this for you. This is what I do. We made it. So we got our bandanas on. I look definitely like I got a tan. I think I'm gonna put this on my face only because this thing stink. We getting on. Oh shit. Y'all, our stuff gonna get dirty. Hey y'all, see you on the flip side. We had our first stop. Look at my helmet. Y'all dirty? Nope. This is the first stop. Look at our view.
Where do you think they come from?
Africa.
Oh.
So we at our third stop. It's a third.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the mango.
They're our third stop. The second stop we stopped and got mangoes. I didn't record because it was fast in a moment. We got rained on, y'all. Mind y'all, we in the rainforest, so I don't know why I didn't expect rain, but it started raining. Oh wow. So I'm coming back to get the mango that I picked from the tree. Got it out. Gonna have them cut it open. I'm gonna wash it. I'm about to rinse my mango off. Yeah. Don't eat it because you don't know if you're allergic. I peeled the mango.
I got my phone in my face. I'm gonna get right. Ooh, that's cold, right?
It's pretty good.
It is pretty
Probably the best mangoes I've probably ate.
First,
Been throw my mango. I got dirt on my face. I think this is the last stop of the day. Just sitting on the rocks.
Look at my blood.
Hey y'all, the trip is almost over. We had so much fun on that excursion we just went on. It was so much fun. I'm tired though. Our flight is in a couple hours. Our flight is 6 o'clock, so we gotta pack our stuff up. And what the fuck is my Vaseline? I'm tired. We're going back to that first restaurant we went to the first night we got here. And tacos pretty good. It's probably the best food we ate down here. Well, the best food I ate down here was some tacos. These Shein bags came in handy. So if you traveling, you shop from Shein, use them in military pack. Roll them up to a sandwich. And I have to work tomorrow. Kudos to me. But I need to draw my slides. I keep going to miss this view. But I'm about to just chill and lay down, so it's time to go. I'm really tired of vlogging. Like, I've been vlogging the whole trip. Like, I missed a couple stuff, but not really. Like, first trip I ever went on this channel. And bitch, I'm tired. I'm laid out. I'm fried. And So we didn't end up getting the tacos because they were closed. So we just back at the airport. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm drained. I'm ready to go back to the 8. Okay. But we're gonna get something to eat. And then I'm gonna have my sisters and that's supposed to vlog out because this trip is over with. We done. We survived. Everybody healthy. Everybody good. Everybody made it out alive. So I don't know what. I really want some tacos. I'm so mad that that taco place is closed because I'm hungry. And then my arm is swollen. I don't know if y'all can tell, but oh, it's swollen. It hurt. But yeah. So I end up getting Popeyes. But I just came. I'm back on the vlog to end it. I love y'all so much. Thanks for watching. I had fun recording. I really did have fun vlogging for y'all. So I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Flygirl special out. Bye, Puerto Rico.